Hi, my name is Arlene Garcia. Today's date is December 15, 2019. Today's video lab exercise is for week 8, the reproductive system. So I already have here my fetal pig, and I have identified it as a male. And the way that I identified it is by the urogenital opening and the testes. So the urogenital opening identified by this section here and the testes down here. So in this video lab exercise, I will identify 8 important reproductive structures, including the umbilical cord and the urogenital opening. So starting off first with the umbilical cord. The umbilical cord is where the nutrients and oxygen is delivered to the fetal pig as it connects to the mother. And the umbilical cord is right here in this section. So it's this here. And right underneath it, we have the urogenital opening right here. This right here. And this is where the sperm and the urine expels from the body, from the fetal body. And after urogenital opening, we have the penis. And the penis, we have it right here. So it's this structure. And you can palpate it under the urogenital opening as it goes down all the way down to the scrotum. So it goes all the way down. And it's kind of like a hard structure here that I was able to palpate. We have the scrotum, which is the external sac that contains the testes and that can regulate the body temperature by either bringing the testes closer to the body or further down. So this is the external sac. And you can also see where the testes will lie inside, the right and the left. And then we also have the ridge here that connects to the testes there to separate them. And we also, as I mentioned, the testes. So the testes are, we have them right here. The right and then the left testes. So right here, these two right here. And then the testes serve to produce sperm and testosterone. And the epididymis holds the sperm on the top of the testes where sperm matures. So the epididymis is right here, this section right here, right underneath the testes, and right over here too, these two sections. And it was covered by a connective tissue membrane. So I cut it and I was able to see right here as it connects here, top of the testes, right there. And then we have the spermatic cord that connects the testes, and it has the nerves and blood vessels, as well the vas deferens. And that we can see right here. I accidentally cut it, but it's right here, spermatic cord, as well as it has on the other side. But this one's more visible right now, the spermatic cord. And the vas deferens would be located up in this section, right here, as it connects, as it's part of the spermatic cord. So it'll be up here, spermatic cord. And then we have the urethra, which is in the male pigs, carries sperm and urine to the penis. So we have the ureters, which connect, which are close to the bladder. So this is one ureter, and then this is two, and we have the bladder here. So this is the bladder, and then the urethra would be right in this section in here, right? It would be right here. And then further here inside, we have the prostate gland. Right in here. And as well, we have the pubic bone that is in front of the urethra, which would be right in here, and it's kind of hard. So right in that section. And the prostate gland, like as I mentioned, it also releases alkaline solution. And lastly, We have the gubernaculum that can contract and bring the testes down, and that is found right here. So right in there, the gubernaculum can contract the testes to bring it more down and closer to the scrotum. And that concludes my week 8 lab exercise for the reproductive system. Thank you.